So there's been a number of people talking about this particular feature in the YouTube studio that a lot of people have been saying that you should turn it off, while other content creators are saying that you should turn it on. I even read and watched one of the videos and was saying that if you don't turn that off, it's gonna cripple your channel. If you don't turn that off, it's actually going to let your channel maybe get demonetized or something like that. It's actually going to affect your channel in any way. But hey, I'm gonna let you know the right thing to do on this particular feature. Is very important over here, and as I've always been saying, whenever you're watching a tutorial video like this, do well to watch it so carefully. And so in this year, as said earlier in the previous videos, there's going to be a lot of revelations, a lot of secret to help you get more views, more subscribers, and more watch hours, so that you get to your monetization, so you can also monetize your channel, get something out of it at the end of the month. So I'm going to send you straight to the YouTube studio, and I'm going to let you know the importance of this allow embedding that people have been talking about. A lot of people have been saying bad things about that, while others have also been saying good things about that. I'll let you know the good side and the bad side, and finally I'll let you know the reason I always check that particular box, and the reason you must also turn that box on. The reason you must turn that feature on right now, even after watching this video. Do well to turn that on always whenever you're uploading a video, so that you get more views, because it's having an advantage on your channel. Oh yes, you see, let me give you a very quick explanation before you even get to the YouTube studio. The embedding simply talks about being able to let other people copy the link of your video and then embed it onto their website. Okay, so sometimes when you're watching, when you're checking some website, you sometimes see that there are some videos pop up in the stories, okay, of which great, that's exactly what you see on your screen right now. So this is an example of an embedded video, you understand. And so you know what it means whenever you turn this particular feature off. What it means is that people cannot embed your video on their channels, and what it happens that way, you're not gonna get any other way of getting traffic onto your channel unless people visit your channel. All right, now this is the importance of allowing this one or turning this feature on in your studio. Whenever it is turned on, and people or website owners are allowed to always be able to embed your videos on their website. Now the first thing is that as those websites keep getting traffic, as people keep visiting those websites, your videos will also be popping up over there. So as the website gets traffic, your video will also get traffic. And you know one interesting thing, as people watch your videos over there, it can send them to your YouTube studio to watch it, or they can even watch it over there on the website, and therefore increasing the number of views that your channel or that your video is going to have. What is so wrong about this one? And that is the reason, even when you check the biggest platforms, they are having most of their videos embedded in their website. Sometimes you can embed it on your own website, and other times you can let other people embed on their website. Let me show you this particular thing. There is this video I have in my other channel, that's Smart Explores. Oh yes, and it's about certain goldfish that's having a historical history over here in Ghana that I was able to discover. So I went there to make this interview. Right now, I woke up one day. The video was, I think, not having around 500 views or something, but I woke up, I think, around less than 1,000, I should say. Yeah, if I remember correctly. I woke up one day and I could see that the video is having 1,000 views, 2,000 views, 3,000. It was just graduating. I didn't know. By that time I was like, why? What's happening to this particular video? So I was asking people, hey, have you shared my video to a certain place? Have you done this, blah blah blah, and all of that? I didn't know that until I got an alert from one of my friends that, hey Smart, I've seen your video on one popular website in Ghana over here, that is ghanaweb.com. Yes, I've seen your video over there, and Ghana Web is one of the biggest platforms in Ghana over here. Now, so I quickly went there. I was like, really, are you sure? So get me a screenshot. The person got me a screenshot. I was like, wow. So Ghana Web had interest in that particular video, the story behind that particular video. They made a story on that. They embedded my video link over there. And so when I check over there on their side, the video was actually showing over there. They did not download the video, they rather took the link and they embedded it over there. So as people visit there and then they watch the video over there, it got me a lot of traffic. As I speak with you, I think the video is having around 14,000 views. Oh yes, and most of these views I'm talking about came from Ghana website I'm talking about over here. So that's one advantage. So Imagine I had turned this particular feature off. Do you think these Ghana web people have gotten the link to actually embed on their website to get me more traffic, to get me more views, and to actually get me more revenue? Certainly no. And that is the reason I am saying that it's very important. You see, some of these content creators who have been saying that they allow embedding thing is very dangerous, so you must turn them off, blah blah blah, and all that. You must uncheck that box, blah blah, and all that. Some of them have not even practiced that. Some of them have not even tried that. You understand? And so they will just tell you something they've heard people saying without even having a personal experience. As I speak with you now, I've been practicing this on my personal website. That's a website solely for teachers and students. That is teachersavenue.net. When you visit this website, you could see that most of my videos have been embedded over there. Oh yes, getting another way of getting traffic onto my video. So that's very, very important. You understand? And so I will let you see one on the screen right now. So I just copy the link and then I paste it over there in the WordPress when I'm making a story, all right, when I'm making a post, and then immediately you publish that story or that post or that publication, you see that the video thumbnail is showing in that story or that particular post. And so as people visit to read over there on the website, they see that and they click on that one to watch, therefore helping to increase my views over here. So do not let anyone deceive you to turn that particular feature, that is the allow embedding feature, off. Don't let them deceive you, please. It is not going to kill your channel. It is not going to do anything to your channel. Oh yes, I've made a thorough research about that, and I've also practiced that. All that I'm talking about, all that I'm showing you are personal practiced things. I've actually practiced them and I'm having the experience. It's not about what someone has done or what someone is going to do or what I've learned from someone. No, but this one, I use my Atta Smart Explores channel, that's my exploration channel, to show you when Ghana Web copied the link, embedded it on their website. It got me a lot of views, thousands of views. Oh yes, thousands of views. Yes. And when I also do same on this my website, teachersavenue.net, it is also helping me get a lot of views onto my video. So do not let anyone deceive you. So after saying all of this, let me take you swiftly and now quickly into the YouTube studio. I'm going to show you where you're going to see this allow embedding feature, because there's someone out there watching right now who is not even aware of where this particular feature is, and you may be one of those people who have been uploading with your YouTube studio application or your YouTube application. No, don't upload videos with a YouTube application. Always upload video with the Chrome version of your YouTube studio. Oh yes, where you see the create tab over there, you click on that, you select your video, and off you go. You're going to get all these features so that you can do that to get a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, and a lot of watch hours. So let's get straight away into the YouTube studio. Let me show you how and where to get to see this particular feature and what to do to it so that it can help you double your views, help you get more views, more watch hours, more subscribers in your YouTube channel. So please do want to subscribe to this my channel, actually, for a lot of powerful tips and tricks and hacks and secret revelations like this to help you boost your YouTube channel. That is exactly what I give you over here. So do want to click on the subscribe button right now, turn on the notification bell so that you will get all the videos that will be coming over here on my channel. So now in the YouTube studio, and you see what this feature, that's allow embedding feature, you can either see it and either check or uncheck the box while you're uploading, or even on already uploaded videos you can still check it out and then either check the box or uncheck the box. So first of all, let me select any of my videos. Actually, let me use even this one there, the recent ones. So we go straight to the go to video analytics, and then I'm going to show you where you can find that. So when you are the analytics, it's going to show you the overview, the reach, the engagement, the audience, the revenue, and then let's go to where you can edit that your video details. All right, so the first one is the top description and all that. Let's scroll down. We're scrolling down. I'm going to show you this particular feature straight away. We're not going to waste more time over here in this particular video. So please, whenever you are uploading, after the paid promotion, we have the altered content section, and then straight away you get to the automatic chapters, featured places, and there you go to the automatic concept. The tags will come also, and straight away you move on to the license and distribution. There you see it, allow embedding. Great. Recently, a number of people have actually been asking that I should make a video about that one. And so that's even the reason I'm making this particular video about this particular feature. So as you can see, it's checked over here, and it's not great. It's not actually highlighted over here at the publish to subscription feed, where you cannot change it after uploading a video. So right here, I can either uncheck that or still continue to make it checked over here. So that's it. Whenever you check it like this, it's going to help you a lot. Let's see what YouTube actually has over here. Allow others to embed your video in their site. As simple as that, as you can see. So when you allow embedding, it means that you are allowing other people to embed your videos in their site. That's in the website. And as people keep on going onto their website, it's going to help you get more traffic, more views onto your videos, and definitely going to get more subscribers and more watch hours in your YouTube channel. So that's exactly how it works, and that's exactly why that my video was actually able to get me more traffic, thousands of views on that my exploration channel. So always please make sure you check this particular box. All right, so I used an already uploaded video. You can check your videos, already uploaded videos, already published videos, and see if this box was actually checked like this for you before you uploaded that. When you check and it's like this, please quickly check this particular box. Oh yes, and then you are safe. All right, and now there's one more thing. You can also let people embed it on their website for you. It helps a lot, and it's going to help you a lot. All right, but make sure this website we're talking about are legitimate and official website. All right, they are websites that are highly protected. That's the HTTPS website. It's very important, okay, so that you can get to the traffic that you need on your YouTube channel. So that's exactly how it works, and I'm sure you've actually gotten it over here in this particular video. So that's exactly where I bring this particular video to an end. Please do well to follow this, and it's going to help you. I've actually showed you some testimonies from my own channels, and it's helping me. It's still helping me. It's still getting me views, getting me traffic and all of that. And I'm sure when I actually put them into practice, it's also going to help you over here on your channel as well. So thank you very much. If you found value in this video, I'll recommend you to actually do subscribe to my channel. Do subscribe to this channel. Just click on the subscribe button. It wouldn't take you up to even a minute, just a few seconds. Press on the subscribe button, and then you turn on the notification bell, so that whenever there's an update like this, you also get it over there to watch over there on your device. So thank you very much, and I wish you all the best, and till we meet next time in the next video. God bless you. But hey, if there's any question, do let me know at the comment section, and I'm going to attend to you over there. And you also have a very special question, let me know, all right, at the comment section. I'll make a special video particularly and peculiarly for you, all because I cherish you guys and I love you guys, and I want to see all of you grow your channel from start or from small till it becomes bigger and bigger and better over here on YouTube.